Sometimes evil doesn't look like evil. It looks like paper, ink, signatures, official stamps. Nothing screams, nothing cries, nothing tells you what these pages carry. And that's the frightening part. Because evil doesn't always arrive as a monster. Sometimes it arrives as a human being. Someone respected, someone powerful, someone trusted. These pages don't just record actions, they record silence. The silence of people who knew, the silence of people who suspected, the silence of people who choose comfort over truth. And it makes you wonder, how often has humanity stood in the presence of evil and called it normal? How often have we looked away? Because the truth is, evil doesn't survive because of monsters. It survives because of humans. Humans who choose not to see.